Are your movement joints leaking? ARCAN's specially developed injection rubber featuring adaptive volume expansion, they can be sealed permanently and reliably. I am Michaela from ARCANWaterproof. We develop waterproofing sealing solutions that make your work easier, fast, safe, and effective. Leaking movement joints are among the most challenging waterproofing problems in construction. Incorrect installation, material aging, and continuous structural movement can all lead to damage and water ingress. Repair attempts are often only temporarily successful. So how can movement joints be sealed permanently? The challenge is obvious: continuous joint movement, constantly changing joint widths, water pressure from either side of the structure. The most common repair method is gel injection, sometimes combined with polymer components. However, gels contain water. During dry periods, they shrink, losing volume, flexibility, and their ability to accommodate movement over the long term. For this reason, gels are often not the ideal solution for movement joints. So what is the better solution? HydroBloc Rapid 570 was specifically developed for the permanent repair of expansion and movement joints. It is the world's only injection rubber system. Rapid 570 forms a highly flexible, elastic sealing body. No shrinkage during dry periods. Permanently elastic, it has outstanding resistance to repeated movement. Its adaptive swelling technology generates active sealing pressure and automatically compensates for changes in joint movement. The result is a durable, watertight seal that continues to perform even under continuous structural movement. The two-component injection resin is mixed at a ratio of 1:1. Immediately after mixing, the unique Rapid cream is formed. This cream technology offers two decisive advantages. Firstly, the material does not run out of wide cracks or joints. Secondly, it cannot be washed away by flowing water. Instead, it remains exactly where it is needed, concentrated at the point of leakage. As a result, HydroBloc Rapid 570 stops water ingress faster and more effectively. The cream phase lasts for approximately 60 seconds. During this time, the product can be pumped easily and injected comfortably, while still achieving excellent penetration and distribution throughout cracks and joints. After approximately 90 seconds, the resin is fully cured. It forms a highly elastic, tear-resistant rubber seal. No shrinkage, no loss of flexibility. Even after many years, it retains its original performance. Thanks to its adaptive swelling technology, Rapid can increase its volume by up to 80% after curing while fully maintaining its mechanical strength and sealing performance. ARCAN injection resins stand for precision, reliability, and innovation. Developed to meet even the most demanding requirements for reliable results and permanently dry structures. Are you curious? Then let's start a conversation. My team and I are happy to advise you. Together we will find the solution for your projects.